you see this video, I'm not telling you like subscribe. But there are a lot of small content creators. You just scroll past. How's that? You just wanna go Mr. Beast, Kailas, all of that quiet people. They're small content creators. You can also like their videos and subscribe. You just wanna go for the big people. What do they give you? Those people here what put the sound at put it at 3 times speed, put it at 2 times speed. This video is 0.3 seconds long. This video is 0.3 seconds long. What is this? Don't use this sound. You're going to be traumatized. Like to the small content creators, don't take note of them. Me, I don't post a lot. But me, yeah. All of us start at the bottom. We come up. You want to take note of them that do add nonsense videos. The small content creators, they stay all night awake, wake up tired every morning and trying to edit the videos. The most views they get is 50 views. What are you doing with this time? No man.